This I got, it's vintage. I did a search on SHEIN for vintage style dressing, suiting, and ordered a few pieces because I really want to cultivate a classic vintage look this season and possibly for the next few years. I think it's very elegant, I think it's feminine, and it's smart, and nope, no pockets. But this is very light, summery. This is a perfect summer dress to wear around the house, in the garden, for a barbecue, with a small amount of people, of course. But I love the shine. It has a nice little sheen to it, and it also has a little stretch as well. Here's another piece from the vintage collection. It's a long sleeve, so I would consider this more of the fall, winter, early spring part of that wardrobe. It will be a bit too warm in the summer. Definitely here in England, in Colorado as well. I'm wearing it inside and I already feel toasty. So this will be a nice one. I really like the skirt. It's got a nice full skirt with it that's black and white colors. It's very simple. You could wear a nice pair of pearls with it or some earrings, some pearl earrings. Dress it up with a very classy designer bag possibly, and some black court shoes. But it's comfortable, it's feminine, it's smart, it's something you can wear for work, for the office, virtually or in person. And this is another fun piece in the vintage collection as well. It's the sailor dress. I think it's fun for a date night or just to look actually pretty unique. These are, I wanted to order clothes that said very classic, very classy to me, but also very unique and different from perhaps what everybody's buying on the high street or Zara or other stores like that. I just wanted to stand out and not go into town and go, oh, there's the dress I'm wearing, there's the dress I'm wearing. So this has a very nice button detail on it. As you can see, it has a nice pleat. Again, it's a full skirt as well, but not too full. Has a little bit of a feminine swing to it, but also it's nicely fitted in the bodice as well. The Sailor Print Vintage Dress from SHEIN. This is another fun summer dress that can be worn just for fun. The thing I like about SHEIN is the price point is really great. The quality is amazing, but I'm not worried about wearing something and wearing it a lot during the season. I love this party dress. I love the way that it's cut in the armpit area, so that I hate when this is just such, to me, this is such a genius design idea because it helps with sweat, it helps with underarm deodorant, and it just keeps things, it keeps the air flowing in that area. So again, SHEIN always surprises me with these really nice details and oftentimes designer touches, finishing touches to their garments that just really tell me I've made a wise purchase. I love the polka dots. What can I say? I love polka dot. I love yellow. It's sunny. It's happy. Yellow is sunny. It's happy. It lifts my mood. I know it lifts other people's mood when people see yellow and polka dots, and it's just a happy, fun summer dress. Well, this one looked really good on the website for SHEIN. I will be interested to see how this, I'm curious to see how this shows up on video and looks, it's a great, just slightly above the knee dress, and I'm about 5'4¾". So if you're around that height, it sits at a very nice, but not too inappropriate above the knee level. It has it's also a nice flare skirt, not too flary, so that I don't feel like my hips are looking, I don't feel like my hips balloon out on this. Again, it's a kind of a vintagey looking dress with the collar, with the cut, and it's very comfortable. I give it a 2 thumbs up. I really like it, but we'll see how it looks, because at this point when I saw it in the mirror, I wasn't sure about the sleeves. I thought they would be a bit shorter. I thought they would be about right here. So right now I feel like the sleeves might be just a little bit too long, and I might want to take that in or maybe cut it myself. But I think if the sleeves were right about here, I think the sleeves would look better a little bit shorter, but we'll see how it picks up on camera.